Happy Sunday! Thank you for tuning in to DeAge Titanium Beauty. I'm Jacqueline Chin here. Yeah, as you can see here, we have skincare, but we don't only sell skincare, we sell a reset to your skin. What we say is actually your skin transformation begins here. So these are our range of skincare. So of course, if you want a radiant, glowing skin, what you need to do is first reset and not too many products. So the first one, DeAge, comes with the 2-in-1. This one is the cleanser with citric acid, which remove your dead skin cell. So a lot of us didn't use face scrub, and what you can see is downers, discoloration, very thick skin that whatever you apply after that, it won't easily absorb. So what we do, DeAge here, it gives you glowing. Even after first wash, you will see the difference. And this one you leave on for 2 minutes and then you rinse on. So after that, the serum, we have actually 2 serums here. The serum, this is for above 30 years old. You can actually start using our Luxy Radiant Serum. And also this one is booster serum. So what's the difference? Of course, the two of them are of different functions and ingredients. So if you're looking to stimulate your collagen, as you know, this one, right, it contains the resveratrol. If you drink red wine, it's actually to stimulate our collagen. And then you can see this one comes with the geranium oil, hyaluronic acid. Of course, your skin will lock in moisture for even 72 hours and also give you firmness. So at once, if you want a more at once, because we are exposed to sun, of course you want to save time because every day we are exposed to sun and all this. So this is very good because it has 4% alpha-arbutin, which actually make our skin radiant and glow and lighten pigmentation. I'm sure a lot of you, especially myself, we always on the outdoor, we are always exposed to the sun, and what we want is still fairness, radiant, glowing skin. So this one comes with this niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, green tea, of course, and a lot more main ingredients. And of course this one, no added fragrance, so even the most sensitive skin can use. And also we have a day and the night cream. The day cream and the night cream. As for the day, you want a glowing skin, of course protection before you go out. This one comes with the SPF. And the night time, this is more concentrated, higher concentration. What you do is, you will see the next day your face will well protected, well moisturized, even under the aircon. So this is our range of skincare. And of course we have this face mist. For those of you who want to see a more luxury skincare, so the agarwood and rose face mist is for you. So why rose and agarwood? Of course rose, the first application, you will see grounding effect. When I spray, I will also add on affirmation. You want, you have intention. And then this one comes with crystal healing, infused with crystal healings. So if you are looking for more than what normal skincare do, this is for you, because rose, of course, superb anti-aging, and agarwood has many healing properties. And of course, lastly, we have this oil. The oil, especially for us, as we age, everything loosen, the oil production as well. That's where the wrinkles come. So this one comes with the jojoba oil. It's actually very near to our skin. It mimics our natural skin texture and come with the kings. 5 kings of essential oil. What they do is actually open up our throat chakra, because the basil is here, the sandalwood as well, and frankincense, sweet basil, thyme, and also the geranium. Geranium is actually anti-aging. So If you want a very simple step, of course, the cleanser will do, followed by the serum and day and night cream. But if you want a more intense, more luxury feel, and it's not only skincare, but it comes with the ritual, this is for you, the agarwood and rose face mist. So this is where you actually will see true transformation by using DeAge Titanium Beauty. And of course, I've one good news. We are actually organizing a retreat, a workshop coming. So it is not a normal workshop. It is actually DeAge Luxury, private wealth, health and beauty ritual that will be taking place on the 27th of May at KL Wellness City from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So for those of you who are already investing your money in health, beauty, and also, wealth, and you want even immersive ritual, do join us on our workshop, which is taking place on the 27th. You can DM us for more information. So on the workshop itself, you will meet many panel of professional speakers from their respective field. And then you want to see, a more luxury feel, So when we invest in ourselves, you feel good, boost your confidence. When our body, mind and spirit align, everything comes naturally, easily. Especially, it's easy for you to receive love, joy, happiness, of course, prosperity as well. So I hope to see you on our next channel. Do tune in and stay tuned. Take care.